何々を中心に何々を中心に is mean that focus on or center on. Focus or concentrate, right? If you say concentrate or focus or center on something. If you want to focus on something, when you study, maybe you want to focus something, right? Or when you work, you should focus something. And how to use the grammar of 何々を中心に In Japanese, when you use the grammar of 何々を中心に that you can use with the noun only. That means you should begin by your noun and after that followed by を中心に right? But in here you can use を中心に or を中心として or を中心とした or を中心とする right? It just depends to the sentence that you are talking about and depend to the situation that you want to explain to the person that you are talking with. So, but it just had the same meaning that focus on. But when you use 中心とする if you say 中心とする it means if we focus on, right? If you say を中心とした that means it might be the past tense, right? を中心として which means you might say I want to focus on something like this. So don't be confused when you see they say を中心に only or を中心として or を中心とした or を中心とする It just had the same meaning as focus on or center on. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of 何々を中心に Let's go to see some sample. 文法を中心に日本語を勉強する。文法を中心に日本語を勉強する。Which means that to study Japanese with a focus on grammar. To study Japanese with a focus on grammar. In this sentence, we see that 文法を中心に日本語を勉強する。That means you study Japanese, but you focus on grammar mainly. So you can say 文法を中心に That means you focus on grammar. The next example. 私の人生はすべて家族を中心に回っている。私の人生はすべて家族を中心に回っている。That means everything in my life revolves around family. Everything in my life revolves around family. This means that in this sentence we see that 家族を中心に right? 家族 is the noun, right? So 家族を中心に this means they focus on family. 回っている This means around family. That means 私の人生 This means in my life, right? 人生 is mean life, so 私の人生 is in my life. すべて everything, right? 家族を中心に回っている This means everything in your life you focus on your family first, right? Whatever you consider your family first. So everything should be the impact should back to your family, not to you only, or not to you directly, but your family. So in Japanese you can say what you want to focus on, or what is the main that you, or what is the majority that you will pay attention to, right? In this sentence, say 家族を中心に回っている It means I focus on my family, right? This means that whatever I should consider my family first, right? The next example. 午前中は文法を勉強します。 午後は会話を中心に勉強することになっています。午前中は文法を勉強します。午後は会話を中心に勉強することになっています。Which means that we will study grammar in the morning. In the afternoon, we will focus on learning speaking skills. We will study grammar in the morning. In the afternoon, we will focus on learning speaking skills. You see that this is the quite long sentence, but they have two sentences in here, right? The first sentence is that 午前中は文法を勉強します which means 午前中 is in the morning, right? 文法を勉強するので learn about grammar. 午後 is mean PM, right? Or in the evening. 会話を中心に勉強することになっています。which means that、in the afternoon, right? So they will focus on the speaking. Speaking, 会話 is mean speaking, right? So speaking or conversation, right? Conversation, make conversation. 会話を中心に勉強する This means they focus or they pay attention for make conversation. Next example. この作家の作品は若い女性を中心に読まれている。この作家の作品は若い女性を中心に読まれている。Which means that this author's books are mostly read by young women. This author's books are mostly read by young women. In this sentence, we see that before 中心に they say 若い女性。女性 is mean young women. 女性 is mean women or female. But they say 若い is mean young. So this means in here they use the noun. In our noun in here is mean young women. を中心に that means they focus on the young women only. Old women they don't focus. Children they don't focus. Boy or old man or men they don't focus. They focus only young women, right? So you can say whatever what you want to focus. So you should say を中心に, right? For example, you want to focus on learning English. You can say 英語を中心に勉強します, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。